Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today with a seated cat-cow stretch. Place your hands to your thighs. With an inhale, lift through your heart, and on your exhale, round your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, creating a mild back bend. And with each exhale, round your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, place your hands over your belly, adding a knee lift, alternate between lifting right and left, moving at your own pace, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. For more of a challenge, reach your arms overhead as you continue sitting tall, lightly lifting through your lower belly, resting when you need to. Release and return to center. Step your feet into a wide stance, rooting down through your feet. Adding a side stretch, begin to gently reach across your body, flowing from right to left, keeping your legs strong and active and the weight even in your hips, gradually increasing your range of motion. Release, pausing at center. Maintain your feet in a wide stance. Clasp your right hand beneath your chair. With an inhale, reach your left arm to the sky. Exhale, draw your elbow towards your knee as you lift through your left leg. Inhale, re-lengthen. Exhale, elbow to knee. Continue moving at your own pace, wrapping this movement around your breath, gently flexing through your side body, working through your hip flexors, core, quadriceps, and obliques. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Clasp your left hand beneath your chair. Inhale, reach your right arm to the sky. Exhale, draw your elbow towards your knee, lifting through your right leg. Continue coordinating this movement with your breath, flexing through your side body, moving at your own pace. Release, pausing at center. Maintain your feet in a wide stance. Place your hands to your thighs with your fingertips pointing inward. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, draw opposite shoulder towards opposite knee. Inhale to upright. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue flowing from right to left, wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, lift to upright, re-lengthening your spine. And with each exhale, draw opposite shoulder towards opposite knee, allowing this twisting action to be a tonic for your spine, releasing tension through your upper body. Continue breathing deeply as you release and step your feet back to center. Sitting tall, place your hands to lightly rest behind your head with your elbows wide. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, gently twist. Inhale at center. Exhale, twist. Continue twisting from right to left, keeping your spine long and your navel back. Maintain your hips facing forward, allowing this movement to originate from your waist rather than your hips, arms, or shoulders, working through your obliques. Adding a leg lift, inhale at center, exhale, gently twist. As you bring opposite elbow towards opposite knee, inhale center, exhale repeat on the opposite side. Continue twisting from right to left, keeping your spine long, moving through your own range of motion, strengthening and toning through your hip flexors, core, quadriceps, and obliques. Stay connected to your breath as you release and return to center. Sitting tall, clasp your hands beneath your chair. Lift through your right leg, extend, and release, repeating on the opposite side. Continue with this alternate leg lift extension, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps, moving at your own pace. Continue here, or optional, to release your clasp and place your hands over your belly, using your core to stabilize. For more of a challenge, reach your arms overhead as you continue sitting tall, lightly lifting through your lower belly, feeling this action awaken your center. Release and return to center. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, reaching your left hand to your right leg, placing your right hand behind you for support. With each inhale, re-lengthen, and with each exhale, gently twisting deeper, rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Slowly unwind and repeat on the opposite side. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your right hand to your left leg, placing your left hand behind you for support. With each inhale, re-lengthen from the base of your spine through the crown of your head, and with each exhale, gently twisting deeper, allowing this twisting action to provide a gentle massage for your spine and belly organs. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, sweep your arms overhead, interlace your fingers and rotate your palms away. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, adding a lateral stretch. Inhale at the top. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue stretching from right to left, keeping the weight even in your hips, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist, breathing wide into your side body. Release and return to center, closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And for more free full-length videos, visit happyyogaondemand.com.
Now that was good.